Before phone alarms, waking up in America was a completely different ritual. There were no smartphones vibrating beside the bed, no digital reminders, no endless snooze button. For many workers, the day began with factory whistles, church bells, roosters, family members, and mechanical clocks ticking in the dark. In early American towns, time was not something hidden inside your phone. It was heard across the neighborhood. A bell rang, a whistle blew, a father lit the stove, a mother started breakfast, and the whole house slowly came alive before sunrise. Long before modern alarms, waking up was part of a shared rhythm. This was America before phone alarms. Subscribe and leave a like for more forgotten American history.